Okay. You want me to play ML? I don't know if you want me to play ML, but I'm literally practicing this game. I'm now Grandmaster, and my favorite character is Zilong. He's so strong, bro. I literally got 27 kills in one round with Zilong. So let's get to it now. Bro, I'm literally charging my phone. Zilong skin. Christmas Carnival. Okay, this is the skin. Can just the time go faster now? I cannot wait this long. Three, two, take. Okay, let's go. Let's go this broken boat. This is my plane. I cannot. I always want to choose. No. I always want to choose me lane, but it doesn't work. Okay, there's already someone here. Are you kidding me? Okay, there's two. I actually like. Okay, I'm literally just attacking this on Phantom. Please don't kill it. It's now level 2. Asa boom, 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 change. Boom. Okay, why you always freeze me, guys? Sorry. Okay, that's actually a good mood right there. I'm the top 1 now. I'm rank 1 right now. Okay, I literally had the worst item, the freaking boots. Who cares about the boots? Boom. I'm so strong when it goes to my ultimate. Solo kill. I need to be stronger. What? Yeah, that's actually kind of smart for that. Turtle spawn. Let me level up real quick. I just need one more level up so I can become my ulti. My favorite is the ulti, so who cares? Boom. This takes so long, but it is worth it. Let's go. I didn't really level up one. Bro, that's actually a good freaking strategy. How is that? Bro. Let's go. Oh. Who's this guy? I also got my kill. Who wants to take that one? Come here. Come here. Why is she going there? Come here. Stop. Come here. Oh, team. You are so scared, you young mans. You guys are so scaredy pants. And you must go away. Okay. 3v1 is unfair. 3v1 is... You guys are so idiots. It's about 3 minutes now into this. Let me clear it. Why did I do that? I was not supposed to click that. Well, sad to be you. I need. Does my moves even do freeze damage? Bro, stop! Stop! I need to level up more. What about this guy? I'm there. Slay. Let's go. Let's get more level ups. That's actually a good move right there. Though you guys don't know when I get angry in this game. You guys don't want to get me angry in this game. That's actually a good thing I do all the time. That's actually my new strategy I'm playing. And this thing is so underrated. Sucks to be you. But this video cannot be long because please, let's go. By the way, what's that? Level boom. Come on, come here. You scaredy cat. Come here, scaredy cat. You are the most scaredy cat in this world. Get here. Boom. I knew it. I knew you were coming. By the way, who's the top one? Okay, I forgot I'm top one. Let's attack this. I'm level 7 by the way. Come on. Come on. Bro, why did you get me? Why did you steal my freaking kill? I'm actually need to level up so I kill this guy. Level up, charge. Charge. Come on, we can do this before she dies. Okay, there's more. Bye. Destroy, terminate. Okay, there's Nana. Okay, I will do a surprise attack later, I think. No. I will do something super insane. It will shock the whole freaking server. Don't mess with crabulations. Don't mess with okay. I'm still top one by the way. Okay, this is underrated. So let me just skip a whole entire part. Sorry I cannot show you this part, the last part, but I finally beaten it. So I'm Grandmaster 5. Oh, I was Grandmaster 6. Okay, bye. Bye.